Welcome back to the garage. Today's video is going to be very special. This will be the first ever fan mail unboxing on my channel. Now about 3 weeks ago I got a P.O. box set up, and this is the first piece of mail that I've actually gotten sent to that. Now before this video goes any further, I don't want anybody out there watching right now to feel obligated to send something my way. I've just had quite a few requests on people wanting to send me stuff, so don't feel like you're obligated to. Just send me stuff if you want to. You know, pictures of your projects, stickers, anything of that nature. I love seeing that kind of stuff. And another full disclosure is, this isn't really the first time I've opened this box. I did have this recorded where I opened it not knowing what was inside, but I done a very bad thing and forgot to blot out the guy's address. So I was out here waving this box around. I don't think Edmund Pilarski would like that very much if you knew where he lived at. So I do know what's in the box, and I'm going to cut it open right now and show you all. Today's video is actually sponsored by Lennox Gold razor blade knives. I'm only joking around. I bought this thing years ago. I do love this knife though. I keep it everywhere I go. Oh man. Oh, cool. It's a truck repair manual. That is very awesome. It's got some pages bookmarked in here. Let me check on that really quick. Let me see this manual. Oh, there is a note in here. Now, Ed was very kind. He wrote me this letter. I've got it flipped over just for the fact that he wrote it on a piece of work paper that has information on it that probably shouldn't be leaked on the internet. So I wrote it word for word on my note card, and I'll read you what it says. It says, Zane, I hope this manual comes in handy on your Jeep project. Older manuals go more in depth than new. Books you can make notes in, unlike online manuals. I spent 30 plus years on school buses, worked on armored trucks, Brinks Incorporated, and Kubota Gravely tractors. I enjoy your videos, Ed. That's very sweet of you to write that letter for me, and I really appreciate that. It means a lot that you like my videos. So we'll set this out of the way. He's got a few things bookmarked in this book, so we'll check them out. The first one is a 12-cylinder engine. That is amazing. All the thought processes going into making that engine run like that. Just crazy. It's awesome to see these old pictures. Like you said, definitely goes in depth. Valve tappet guides, hydraulic valve lifters. You got valve springs. That's incredible. There's a few more bookmarked in here. Go ahead and put this one back in here so I don't lose that spot. Here you got something bookmarked on, I believe that's a Mack diesel engine. I love them old photos like that. It's very neat to see. You got information on fuel injection nozzles, fuel systems, Synchro Vance unit. Never even heard of one of those. I love this old kind of information. Got another one bookmarked back here. Oh yeah, here we go. Willie's Civilian Jeep, 1946 model CJ2A. Exactly what I've got. Engine specifications, crankshaft main bearings, oil pressure relief. You got valve springs and valve stem guides. Got an entire breakdown of the chassis on this thing. Ed, this means a lot to me that you would send this book my way. This will definitely come in handy on some of the projects. Now, a few things that I just kind of randomly ran across myself while flipping through this book I thought were some honorable mentions. Now, I just found that old dump truck that was in the salvage yard, or I'm sorry, that truck that was cut off, that yellow, white, and it had a Cummins in it, and you can see there's a lot of information on injection pumps on them old 250 Cummins. It's incredible to see all this information. Like Ed was talking about, a new book probably wouldn't even show that there was a 250 Cummins in it. It's incredible to see. I mean, cam rocker levers, all kinds of information. Very good pictures even for back then. You barely get good pictures now on a Chilton's manual. talking about the overspeed of pumps, turning up the idle, adjusting all of that, governor weights, cam gears, distributor drive gears off of these engines. I mean, that's absolutely amazing. Got something else bookmarked here. Specifications on Zenith carburetors. I'm sure somebody, if they're needing information, hopefully it's picking it up on the video, can pause this video and get some kind of information on there. This book will definitely get some good use out of it, Ed. Bookmark that again. We'll go to another page talking about generators. Now that's something you probably can't find information on anymore because nobody really messes around with them anymore. Talking about different amps, different temperature settings, all kinds of amazing information. Now I've just kind of glanced through this book. I definitely need to go over it more. But there's a wealth of knowledge to be learned from this old book, Ed. I can't say thanks enough. Now, Ed, I can't really even begin to thank you how much this is going to mean to me, and I will get a lot of use out of this book. It really means a lot that you enjoy my videos, and it makes me think that I'm doing a good job, at least so far. Hopefully things can only get better from here. Now, one thing that I kind of wanted to touch base on in this video is something else. I've had a lot of comments of people talking about how it is to build a YouTube channel and to get on here and do this, and the best thing that I can say is to just go ahead and do it. Now, I've thought for years on doing YouTube myself, and I made my channel just about a year or so ago, and I've had a really good experience on here. I can't say that everyone has a good experience on YouTube, but if you truly enjoy working on vehicles, the audience will find you, no matter what you're working on. If you're working on lawnmowers, Chevy S10s, foreign cars, there's an audience for everyone out there. Now, the beautiful thing also about YouTube is that somebody just like me or you watching right now can get true enjoyment out of watching a craft that you don't even want to do yourself. There's an amazing woodworker here on YouTube, and his name is Andy Rawls. Now, I don't mess with wood because if you cut something too short, you can't just simply weld it back together. But even though I don't want to do woodworking myself, it's amazing to see the craftsmanship that goes into each and every piece that guy designs. So if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. Like I said, the audience will find you. Now, Ed, I don't really have any stickers or anything, but as soon as I'm established, you'll be the first one in line to get one of my stickers to maybe stick on your toolbox or on the bumper of your truck, whatever you want to do with it. But thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It truly means a lot. If you liked it, if you would please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question down below, and just as always, a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video's over, I got some reading to do. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.